Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my week 1 update after restarting my NEET PG prep, and I want to share exactly how this week went, honestly and without any filters. So many of you already know I took a break, I was mentally exhausted, and I needed to reset. This week was all about getting my brain back into study mode and trying to rebuild the routine. This week I focused mainly on surgery, revised some high yield topics and the topics which I felt were weak for me, that were weak for me the previous time. I studied surgery BTR. A little bit of it is still left. I also did some PYQs, some MCQs, not a lot. This week was not perfect. I woke up a little late on most days because I wasn't feeling well, had a bit of viral, low energy, and a slow start. But even with that, I still showed up and studied, and I'm happy about that. Even though the pace was slow, I did manage to maintain some consistency and not skip studying completely despite low energy. Small steps, but they matter. For my next week, my goal is very clear. I'll try to get back on track. I'll try to wake up on time again. I'll have to make up a habit, and for that, I will use the app called Alarmy. I used it the last time, and it really helped me set up a schedule and wake up on time. So, I plan to use that app again. I'll try to avoid backlogs and finish whatever I start on the same day for what I have planned. I'll try to increase my study hours gradually as I'm still not able to study that much, and even when I sit to study, I get random distractions and random thoughts. So I'll try to gradually increase my study hours and focus more. I'll keep the routine clean and simple. Basically, I just want to bring back the momentum which I had before the exam. This week was a slow restart, but a restart is still a restart. And I'm proud that I began again instead of just waiting for a perfect day. Thanks for watching my week 1 update. Comment reset week done if you're also restarting your prep. See you next week. Bye bye.